In today's video, I will teach you how to resize your image for social media posts in Pixlr X. Let's get started. In Pixlr X, there are many templates for different uses. In the Pixlr X homepage, click on the Create New button, and here you have multiple choices to resize your image. For a high-quality Instagram square post, you can choose the 1080 by 1080 pixel social media post template. For the standard 16 by 9 ratio in the Instagram stories, you can use a 1080 by 1920 pixel social story template. For WebMed, you can use a 1600 by 900 pixels template. For a standard 720p YouTube video thumbnail, you can use a 1280 by 720 pixels template. For a 1080p YouTube video thumbnail, you can use a 1920 by 1080 pixels template. For a standard art grid, you can use the 1000 by 1000 pixels template for a 1x1 canvas. And for a 12 megapixels 4x3 resolution, you can use the 4032 by 3024 pixels template. There are also more options under the photo, social, web, print, and video tab, and all sizes are listed there as well. But if you've already opened your image in Pixlr, you can simply crop it to resize the image. To do so, click on the crop tool at the toolbar and enable select aspect to customize the size or the ratio of the crop that you would like. Then input the values in its respective text box. And there you go. You can now resize your image in Pixlr. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.